Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to verify using Rowifi. Rowifi is a powerful bot designed to bridge your Roblox and Discord communities. It helps keep your Discord server organized by automatically syncing your Roblox group ranks with corresponding Discord roles. This verification process is quick and easy, usually taking just a few moments to complete, ensuring a smooth experience for all users. To start your Rowifi verification, first ensure you are in a Discord server utilizing the Rowifi bot. You'll typically find a link account button in a welcome message, or you can simply type the command /verify in any channel. This command will generate a unique link, directing you to the secure Rowifi website to begin the authentication process. Once on the Rowifi website, you will sign in and authorize with your Discord account. Next, you'll link your Roblox account by following the clear on-screen instructions. This might involve a quick confirmation step or placing a specific code in your Roblox profile's About section. Remember, your Roblox account must be over 13 years old to successfully complete the verification. After successfully linking your accounts on the Rowifi website, head back to Discord. Type the command /update to synchronize your Discord roles and nickname with your Roblox profile. If you manage multiple Roblox accounts, Rowifi allows you to view them with /account view, switch between them, or even set a default account using simple commands, offering great flexibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.